Hey guys, what's up? So I presume that you were eagerly waiting for my next video, and here I am with an absolute banger. Today I'm going to tell you how to make money passively. Wait, don't jump into conclusions. I am not going to explain any Ponzi scheme or investing in a risky penny stock. I'm going to talk about an app that would pay you for doing nothing. Yeah, you heard me right. You just have to install the app and keep it running on your device, and the money will keep accumulating in your account. The longer you keep the app running, the more you earn money. Am I joking? Absolutely not. The app I'm talking about is completely legit, and I've made thorough research about its authenticity before making this video. It is an app already gaining worldwide popularity and has several subscribers to its name. It also has its own website where it has openly laid out its plan. Okay, we got it. Now, what is the name of the app? The app's name is Honeygain. The app has of an irresistible feature that will allow you to make money easily just by installing it on your device. You might have heard the saying that there is nothing called easy money, but this app crushes that saying. I can sense now that your mind is brimming with questions. Is it true? Is it real? How can it be possible? Well, I'm here to answer those questions. But before going into details of how you're going to make money, please make sure to subscribe and like this video if you want to be in the loop with the latest money tactics on how to increase your wealth. Now, what is Honeygain? Honeygain is an application designed to make use of unused data in a device for different business and marketing purposes. Once you install the application, the app makes your device a gateway to perform different tasks and allows your internet to reach its full potential. The unused data will be used by data scientists to generate traffic and enable other businesses to run marketing research, web intelligence, and other business modules. The clients of Honeygain use your device's internet data as a bypass to conduct ad verification services, perform SEO monitoring, and run brand protection campaigns. So how does it work? Well, there is no mystery in the way Honeygain works. They have clearly explained the procedure on their website as to how Honeygain uses the unused data from a device. The user needs to follow the below steps to make it work on their device. Number 1, installing the app. Visit their website and download the application according to the needs of your laptop or computer. The website provides apps for Windows, Mac, and Android operating systems. You can also visit Samsung Galaxy apps and Huawei App Gallery to download the app on your mobile. Currently, the app is not available on Google Play and iPhone, but it is soon going to be made available. Number 2, connect the device to the internet. In order to start making money, you should keep the device connected to the internet. The more your device remains connected to the internet, the higher is the data used by the data scientist. Number 3, get paid. Credits are accumulated in your account as the unused data gets used by the data scientist. Once you collect enough credits, you can convert them to US dollars and claim the money. The money is directly deposited into your account. But how much do I earn, you might be asking? Well, now that you've understood what is Honeygain and how it works, you might be asking yourself, how much money will I make? Well, as any profession or job, the more you work, the more you get paid. Honeygain too rewards according to the time you spend on the internet on your device. You accumulate credits over every KB you bring in. 10 credits equal to 1 cent. Here you see a screenshot of my dashboard. As you can see, I have 2 devices connected to it, and I've made consistent passive income while not affecting my internet speed at all. Now, the payout is made only once you earn $20 or above. If you're connected to the internet 720 hours a month, then you'll make $50 a month. There have been cases where people reported to have made over $100 per month. So it is up to you how you make use of the opportunity provided through Honeygain. Currently, Honeygain makes payments through only PayPal account. They don't have other options, but they are planning to introduce other payment gateways soon. Now, how can I increase my earnings? The simple way to increase your earnings is to install the app on different devices with different IP addresses. This is very important. Experts suggest that an IP address shouldn't have more than 3 devices to make the internet usage count. You can also make extra money by referrals. Encourage your friends to make money with Honeygain by installing the app or registering to their website. You will continuously make money once your referrals start generating traffic. Honeygain deposits 10% of your referrals' earnings to your account. So bring in your friends and family in numbers and enhance your earnings. As a matter of fact, I have my own link in the description below, and if you use it, you will get $5 automatically just for signing up. Now, is Honeygain safe? Unlike other money-making websites or apps, Honeygain doesn't have any other ulterior motive behind its operation. You will never be asked to provide any personal information apart from the email address and your IP address. Hence, the data on your device is safe and secure. Besides, Honeygain works with well-known Fortune 500 companies and renowned data scientists who wouldn't compromise on their data and information. Now, some final words. Money is an important requirement to live our lives, and in these hard times, it is becoming nearly impossible to make enough money. Finding avenues like Honeygain would help with some of our financial needs. I hope you have gained enough knowledge about Honeygain and will try it yourself. If you find it useful, share this video with your friends and family so that they could also benefit from the app whilst just sitting at home. If you liked my content, please hit subscribe button at the bottom of the page so that you can stay updated about all the new content that comes up. Stay well and see you in the next one.